it's Wade. Wade's Unboxings. I have a new unboxing today. It's quite a long, awkward box. So hopefully we'll just do a quick roundabout of the box and then we will get into it. So we have here the 10-inch Black & Decker 20-volt max chainsaw. Very simple looking on the side. Let's see if we can get a better shot on the top here. It's the, as we said, the Black & Decker 20-volt lithium VMAX cordless 10-inch chainsaw. Not much to it. You can see there's the blade, the kickback, handle, and the battery goes on the side. And this one here does not come with a battery or charger. The one with the battery charger was about 50% more, or actually 100% more, double the price. This came on sale around Christmas time, very good price, couldn't pass it up. And I already do have batteries to fit this because it is the same type of battery that my other tools use, namely the grass trimmer that I've done the unboxing for. As we can see on the top, there's a guy doing a chainsaw cutting, and you can see the other types of stuff that it does, the whippersnipper or grass trimmer, and drill, and trimmers and stuff like that. The other side, not much to it, same as the front, same as the other side. And we did the back, and let's just flip this over quickly and turn it around, and we can have a look at the other side here, or the other side, and it gives you the other profile of the chainsaw itself, the backhand side, I'll say. And you can see there's the oil lubrication system, and the 10-inch saw, and the toolless chain tensioning for fast and easy adjustments, little thingy there. And it does give you the instructions right onto the side. And let's see if there's anything else that we need to talk about here. Black & Decker from the USA. The tool is made in China. Well, what isn't today? And the overall length of the blade itself is 10 inches. The tool itself is, you can't see it, it's 6 pounds. And it's probably 6 pounds without the battery, I'm going to assume. And 20-volt max. So let's see if we can open this up. Let's see what comes in the box. Let's just open one side here quickly. So we can get this box off the table here. And it's a piece of packing. Let's see if we can get it out without causing a mess. Anything else in the box? I think there's that. And then on the other side, again, there's just more packing, nothing exciting. And we'll just put the box out of the way and straighten that up a little bit, and some more packing. And first we have the manual itself, the 20-volt, 40-volt cordless chainsaw. The battery, the standard battery is the 20-volt, but they do make a 40-volt in the same style, which is about, I think, 2 something amps. And you can mess with it. And you can see there's 2 different chainsaws shown. And let's take a quick look. It just tells you a bunch of warning stuff. Don't think there's anything. And the first part is functionality overview. We're not going to get into too much details here of the book, but you can read through it as I need to, when I need to. The only really part that you need to watch about is the lube, I believe. So let's just get this out. Open this class, there's tape there. And open this up. And put it around, and as we can see here, we have the tool itself. It is very, very light. There is a safety on the side here. Let's see if I can do it without. There's a zip lock on the trigger for some reason, and you need to cut that off. Here we go. That was the factory trigger lock. You do need to pull the safety before you can pull the trigger. So trigger's locked, pull the safety, trigger you can pull, and then it'll do here on the top, see, you have your lube, and it's supposed to be self-pumping. Well, no, manual pump. So you would press this and it would lube the chain. I've read a few reviews that this sometimes does malfunction or break. We will see if I have the same issue. And a lot of people just get a lube dispenser that you can easily buy with, you know, a little tube and just grab it along. You can, I believe, use vegetable oil. I've read somewhere it says from the online reviews that I did. I'll have to go through this in more detail. That's the only part that I am not 100% sure on, but from what I've read and seen, some people say vegetable oil will work because it is not as torquey and fast as a gas chainsaw, which you'll be running for hours and hours. This does have a limited life because of the battery. So see, we have the chain protector, very simple, and the 10-inch blade itself. Not sure if you notice, but the teeth of the electric saw are quite far apart compared to a gas-powered saw. Again, this is because of the power differences in the two of them. And as we can see on the side, it tells you how to adjust it. See, it's locked, so you have to unlock it. Pull it out, don't push it in. Well, it doesn't really say. I might have to read that, but let's see. Let's try that one more time. Ooh, she's tight. F1. Chain's too loose. The chain is not loose. It's supposed to have 3 millimeters. Could probably loosen it up a little bit, but that is probably about 3. And it is greasy. Has a little bit of pre-lube on it. So what you would do is you'd change this and reduce it. It has the kickback plate. Said warnings on the plate itself there. Wear glasses and all that stuff. Bottom, there's really nothing to it. And the battery on the side. So using a battery from one of my other tools, I will just do a quick snap it in. You can see it does add a little bit of weight to it, but again, without pulling the trigger. I'm not going to cut anything right now because I don't have anything right here. I'm not going to cut my desk. But overall, the balance is nice. It's not overly loud, but it is electric, so I'm not expecting a burn, where you need ear protection, but you know, you may still want to. The blade, I'm going to take this off so we don't. The blade itself, it is not huge, but it is not meant for falling huge trees. You know, we have it, it's at 10 inches, and you know, you really can't cut the whole 10 inches. You know, the feel of it is well balanced. With the battery, it does add a little bit of weight to it, but it's not a lot. And I do have 4 batteries. From what I've read, you get about 20 minutes of continuous cutting of branches and trees and stuff. You know, it's not, like I said, it's not for falling, you know, 20-inch logs and stuff like that. It is for really trimming and the small around the wood, around the yard type stuff. And we'll probably be using it down the cottage and for hunting, you know, to create a clearing, and maybe for, you know, setting up tree stands and stuff like that. So that's the quick overview. Do need to figure this out a little bit, but this is a quick overview of the Black & Decker 10-inch cordless 20-volt max chainsaw. Thank you. It's Wade's Unboxings, and don't forget to subscribe and like.